Hi, garden friends. Are you ready to clean up your act? Well, I sure am. And by that I mean I'm cleaning up my patio today. That's right. I'm getting a pressure washer and I'm going to clean my act up. And it's going to turn out great. Oh, and at the end of this video, I'm going to show you what flowers are popping in my garden today. So let's go, shall we? Well, to say that this didn't need to be done is an understatement. But look at that! I can't believe how great it turned out. I also have these beautiful daffodils. They're called Pride of Lion. Ooh, and there's my beautiful red flowering currant. And there's some spireas. What am I going to use? How about an Oregon grape? I'm going to be making a couple of flower arrangements. Ooh, this bridal veil spirea. Let's see what we've got to work with. Well, I've got several flowers to pick from. This is my Oregon grape, which is also known as Mahonia. It's the state flower of Oregon. It's very fragrant. The leaves are a little like holly leaves, so I've trimmed off a few of those. This is called a bridal veil spirea, and this is only the second year that this has bloomed, and so I'm delighted to see that. And here are my beautiful, let me get a perfect one here, my daffodils. Aren't those beautiful? I believe these are called Pride of Lion. They're very tall. Now for my foliage, I've got 9-bark and I've got Mexican orange blossom. I've also got a little bit of spirea leaves, but I'm not sure if I'm going to use these or not. So let's get started. Now I've already put in my flower boost in both containers here. I'm using this container and this container. So I've already put my flower boost in there, and that's going to help make these flowers and foliage last a little bit longer. Now what you'll need to do is just clip off the excess, and let me move this here. Let's see what we can put together here. Now at the bottom of these, I have these little crystal rocks. You can also get them in a variety of different colors as well. It's kind of hard to do it backwards. But there's that. And then here's this one. Now these are just, you know, two lovely bouquets from my garden. Not too bad. Well, it looks like we're off to a great start for spring. I hope you're having a great gardening day. I'll catch you in the next one.